fun fact, exams. To all of y'all yawning, move on. This is for the academics who actually want to do well. When it comes to the languages, there are 4 examinations, final examinations. Paper 1 is language, paper 2 is literature, paper 3 is creative writing, and paper 4 is your orals. And in the June examination, there are 2 exams. There's your language paper, and then there is your literature paper. The language paper is always made up of 3 sections, section A, B, and C. Section A is a reading comprehension. It literally means the exact word that it uses. It wants to understand if you can comprehend what you are reading. That's it. Read the case study. Answer the question that they ask. Don't overthink it. Don't underthink it either, but don't overthink it. Section B is your summary. It is always out of 10 marks, and it will always ask you for 7 bullet points, 7 facts, 7 something. So that's 7 marks out of the 10. The other 3 marks is for spelling and grammar and anything related to the language that you use, full sentences. You need to note the difference in the instructions. It'll say either paragraph or bullet points. If they ask for bullet points, don't go and do a paragraph. If they ask for paragraph, don't go and do bullet points. You might not necessarily get 0. However, that said, it depends on the rubric and it depends on the marker. I have seen sometimes, if you did it in the wrong structure, 0 out of 10. And why? It's simple, just 10 out of 10. That's a guaranteed 10 out of 10. Take the win, guys. Just do what they want you to do. Now with the summary, there is a word limit. Do not go over the word limit. If the word limit is 70, if the word limit is 90, remember that it is a summary. Ergo, the skill that you need to apply is to summarize, to make shorter. Do not quote verbatim. You must put it into your own words, and it must be in full sentences with a full stop at the end. Section C is language and context. It's comprised of 3 questions. The first question is either cartoon or an advert. Okay, sometimes they swap them around, but the first 2 questions will be a cartoon and an advert. Explain the joke. And in that regard, I would say definitely go and look at your figures of speech. So things like onomatopoeia, for example. Please know how you spell it. Onomatopoeia. Personification. And also your parts of speech is also important. And then the last question is language and context. That's where you actually have to analyze the language. Parts of speech. Good luck.